Hi, I'm very happy to introduce you to Thomas Zimmer, the former Senior Vice President of Boehringer and Ingelheim, and also the Chair of the ISPE conference, The Future of European Pharma. And he's here to talk with me a bit about the topics that we're going to cover in the conference. As the first question, Thomas, what particularly makes the Future of European Pharma conference relevant for the pharmaceutical sector?
Well, there are two mega trends in the pharmaceutical industry. One comes from the regulator, that means more orientation towards scientific and toxicological data to avoid cross-contamination. On the other hand, we still have the situation of high pressure on budgets. So there is a certain trade-off we have to resolve. In this conference, we will have input from experts about new technologies, use of biodisposables, for example, or use of modular plant concepts. And on the other hand, we will have regulators, and we have to listen to regulators, what is their position on these future trends and challenges for the industry.
Thank you. Also continuing, when you mentioned some of the topics, what particularly do you think are the highlights of the conference?
The real highlight of the conference is the atmosphere we would create. Because in this atmosphere, in this open and honest atmosphere, there will be a very open exchange of opinions between all the stakeholders. There are providers for solutions. There is industry under pressure. There is the expert having scientific ideas in mind, and there is the regulator who has in mind to ensure safety and efficacy of the products. And of course, not to forget compliance.
Thank you. Then moving on, as the people that should attend, who particularly should take part at the conference?
Clearly, this is a cross-functional topic. That means it affects various functions of the industry. There are people from quality, from production, from supply chain management, and even drug safety people, and of course engineers, should have a common dialogue.
Thank you. And what will these people and the delegates who come to the conference, what will they take back to their jobs?
They will simply be more competent in discussions when they have to do investment decisions, for example, when they have to decide what is the right level for fulfilling compliance and quality risk management. It will definitely add value to those discussions also internally in the industry.
Thank you. So please join us at the ISPE's The Future of European Pharma conference, taking place in Belgium, Brussels, on the 13th of September and 1st of October.